Hi everyone, my name is Micah Cox with the Reynolds Company. I'm an industrial control specialist, and today I'm going to be talking about the M100 electronic motor starter from Rockwell. It's designed to replace an IEC contactor and overload combination. So the main benefits to this piece of kit here is that first of all, it reduces the number of parts that you need. So in this small device with a small form factor, you can get electronic overload built in, and you can also have the function of a reversing contactor built in, but you only need one of these devices to have that reversing functionality. The M100 comes in two different frame sizes. So there's one that goes up to 9 amps, so it's about a 5 horsepower motor at 480 volts. And then we also have a 23 amp version that will control up to a 15 horsepower motor when we're talking about a motor at 480 volts. It has a very simple product selection process, basically. There is one version of the M100 with built-in SIL 3 safety. So it has an STO signal. So you would enable and disable it much like a drive with STO safety built in. Then there's also a version that isn't red, and that version does not have the terminals for the STO safety. The variations are two different kinds of terminals. You can either have screw-in terminals or you can have push-in spring clamp terminals. And then you can also have built-in reversing or no reversing. But crucially, there is no size difference in the panel between a reversing and a non-reversing M100 at the same frame size. We have a very large overload adjustment dial on the front. So the 9 amp version can go all the way down to 0.75 amps. So much like the E100 overload that you may already be familiar with, has a very large range that you can configure the overload to trip out on. And then on the 23 amp version, you can go down to 4.6 amps as your overload condition. So there is some overlap already between the two frame sizes, and you can derate the larger version if that suits your application. Other important features of the M100 include the ability to zero stack them in the panel. These have very low heat losses as they're operating, which means that as long as you keep them vertically mounted on a DIN rail, you can zero stack them up to an ambient condition of 60 degrees Celsius. You can save so much space by compacting all of your direct online motor starters into one area of your panel, and you can have more organized wiring. So we have removable terminal blocks, both for the controls and also for the line and the load side power connections. You can integrate these into your panel, and you can reduce your part count and your complexity of your panel. Rockwell has applied for and been granted about 40 patents in the development of this device here. One of the main benefits of the M100 and the piece of technology that enables the zero stack ability is the fact that it uses something called point-on-wave switching. So point-on-wave switching ensures that each phase of the contactor switches for the M100 when the current is zero, because it's an AC sine wave. So whenever that current is zero, that's the only time that the internal contactors are allowed to switch. So what that means is when it's in operation, you're going to hear 3 clicks as it switches each phase consecutively according to the power in your facility. This has a lot of benefits, namely you reduce the arcing significantly because a traditional contactor doesn't have the ability to sense when the current is zero. So it will switch on and off whenever it's commanded with no regard to what the power looks like. And this means that every time your contactor goes in and out, there's going to be an arc flash internally. Even if you don't see it, there's still going to be an arc flash where metal is going to be evaporated, and this will shorten the contactor's lifetime. So with the M100, you can expect higher durability with a much smaller amount of copper that's being used internally, and virtually no arcing every time the M100 is switched. Other options for the M100 include the ability to switch between single phase and three-phase operations. So if you have single phase motors that you need to control, the M100 will do that just fine. And then you can also configure it to do either an automatic or a manual reset. So now I'm just going to show you quickly a simple operation of this device. So I'm just going to reset the device here. So we have our M100. This particular variant is not safety enabled, but it is reversing enabled. As I can press the start button, you'll hear 3 separate clicks for that point-on-wave switching technology. And it simply just starts up a motor. It's functioning just like a direct online contactor would. What I can also do, simulate a trip by holding the trip button on the front. So what I have, this light is lit up, which is an I/O point that the M100 provides for a fault condition. So you can remotely monitor a fault that the M100 might have, whether it's an overload or just a failure to start or something like that. So it's just wired up to this light here, but you could easily put that on your PLC as well. And then it has remote reset terminals. So it's not like the E100 where you have to get that as an option. This is built into all M100 motor starters. When you want to reset it, you don't have to open up the panel and physically touch something on the M100. You can either send a reset command through the PLC or have a hardwired push button. You can reset that condition and start it back up. Additionally, it has a running status, so kind of like an auxiliary contact on a normal contactor. So whenever the M100 starts up, we just light up that light to show that we have that I/O. Unlike a double contactor that has a power wiring kit for reversing operations, where each contactor would be controlled separately. For the M100, what you would do to reverse the motor instead is you need to stop it, and then you need to give it a signal to tell it to run in the other direction. And once that signal is enabled, you can start it back up, and you'll see an extra light on the M100 module that tells you that it is running in reverse. So that will light up in green. Thank you for watching this presentation on the Rockwell M100 motor starter. If you have any questions about the functionality of this device, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Reynolds Company specialists, and one of us will be very happy to help you.